But the third and last and critical thing, I think, given this age we're now in, is to realize that it's our responsibility to develop the right moral compass. You know, when David Dow was pulled roughly off a plane, United, last year, people said this is an example of terrible customer service. But what it was an example of bad algorithmic design. Because it's algorithms that determine how these airlines operate, who gets pulled off planes, how they're remunerated and rewarded. Our organizations are algorithmic, and yet so few of our leaders understand the detail of those algorithmic decisions, even though they can have incredible ethical implications. I mean, only in recent days, you've seen McKinsey in the news. Why? Because they were writing reports on the digital landscape in Saudi Arabia, which then the government used to then round up dissidents. Now, of course, McKinsey came out and said it was never our intention that this report would be used in this way, but what did they think people were going to do with this report that said, here is your 3 biggest digital troublemakers? We're not going to tell you what to do with this information. You have to understand, in this complex and nuanced digital world that we're moving into, ethics and values are more important than ever. Because let's face it, you never want to be this guy, right? You never want to be discovering in the court of public opinion, surrounded by cameras and angry politicians, that maybe you made the wrong decision when it came to your client's advice, or the way you handled data, or how you designed an algorithm.